guys, happy Wednesday. Well, as you can see behind me, I have a table, I have a wall embellishment, and I'm wanting to decorate it in the Tuscan style. Now, I'm gonna go down to my storage room, and it may be a mix of Tuscan farmhouse, or it may be just Tuscan. So, join me. All right, guys, we are in a portion of the upstairs landing, and this is daughter number one's room, daughter number two's room. And in between there is a shared Jack and Jill bathroom. But right here, I've got a cute wall embellishment that I purchased from Ross last year, and I love it. And I'm gonna try two different tables right here, and then I'm gonna decorate it Tuscan farmhouse style, I believe. We'll see, it may be Tuscan, it may be just farmhouse, or it may be a mix of both. We'll see. Stay tuned. All right, not liking table number one. These are just leftover tables I had in the storage room. Not liking this table at all. So this is a no-go. All right, this is table number two, and table two wins. In all actuality, those are the only two spare tables I had left. So it was either one or the other, and this one definitely looks better. I got this at Kirkland's, oh my gosh, probably 7 years ago. So anyway, that's what we're gonna use. All right, guys, I have just been to the basement, and these are some items that I picked up from my storage room. And now we get to plug and play. Okay, guys. I have these two candle holders that are kind of rusty and old looking. I love it. I love them. And I have not used these since I moved here from Washington State. So, mwah, welcome back. Anyway, I know I'm being silly, but I've missed these guys. Anyway, it's nice to bring them back. But I have this light switch right here. Drives me nuts where they located it. I would much have preferred them move it closer to the door, you know, hello, so it doesn't interfere with decorating, but it is what it is. We're gonna try to conceal it. We have another outlet on the other side that we use. We never use this one, so I wanna put the taller one here and the smaller one right there. Done. And let's just say I ran up 2 flights of stairs, and it's a hot day, it's 90 something, so hot. Anyway, now you know why I'm panting. Change of plans, change of plans. We're moving the candles holders over here. I don't know exactly where they're gonna go, but I wanna put them over there. I just remembered I have all this greenery, and that will probably conceal that. So let's get to making an arrangement. All I have is 3 of these, Hobby Lobby, and I got 3 of these. These were from Real Deals at real great prices, just saying. And let me just say, making and whipping up a floral arrangement is so easy. It's so easy. It doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need to take out your glue guns or anything. You just stick your stuff in. You get to reuse it over and over and over again, which is the beauty of it. And it's still gonna look gorgeous. It's gonna look like I took out my glue gun and had styrofoam and had them all in there nice and neat and tidy, but I really don't. I don't. Oh no, I don't. I'm too lazy for that. So I have this Tuscan pot. It used to have it has a finial top that goes on it, but I left it downstairs because I'm using it as a base for my floral arrangement. I got this at Hobby Lobby on deep clearance, 75% off. It was $49.99, and I got it for $17 back in the day when Tuscan was popular. So even back then, I was a bargain shopper. Been one all my life. So now I'm gonna show you how to whip up this floral arrangement like that. Like that. Stay tuned, follow me. Okay, so I have 2 of these I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna put one there and one there. Kind of push them in there. And if I wanted to, I could leave it just like that. I mean, it looks that cute. So I've got 3 of these. I'm just gonna put them smack dab right in the middle, and we're gonna call it done. So there's one. Let's do a second one. And one more. Done. Look how cute that looks. All right, guys, I have 2 book boxes. I got these at Ross back in the day, when book boxes were super popular. And anyway, I'm just gonna stack these right here. Probably right like this. And then I'm gonna I've got this little pot. I also got this from Home Goods. It was $12.99 years ago. And then I've got a little garden ball. Easy peasy, right? And it looks adorbs. And I'm just gonna put it right here. And then I've got my candle holders. Hope you guys can see. Let me point you down. I've got my candle holders right here. And then I've got this greenery pick. So I'm just gonna put this right there. And I'm gonna go grab 2 candles. Be right back. You guys, these are those candles I purchased from Amazon. And best purchase I've ever made. I love these candles because they really look, if you get up close, yeah, you know it's an LED. But from way back, it's pretty believable, right? And look at the light. Look at the light on the wall. So at night, and these are on timers. They come with a remote. I will link them in my Amazon store below. But seriously, I love those candles. I'm gonna buy more. Oh yes, I am. This house is gonna be lit up like a firecracker when I'm done. Bringing back Tuscan style, baby. And I'm loving it. Now I'm gonna call this my late summer Tuscan style vignette up on the landing. And I thought, we're adding yellow, right? And by the way, I can take these pieces out, and if I want to, I can transition them into fall by adding those rich, warm, earthy fall colors. So I think that's what I want to do. Is I want to start taking my coastal down room by room very slowly, I'm not in a hurry, and then adding like staple pieces in which I can just add fall too. I mean, that's the easy way to do it, right? Anyway, I was down in my storage room and I found this wreath. And I thought, you know what? This wreath would look really great with this vignette for a late summer, right? It needs a little fluffing. And I thought, I'll hang it on my daughter's door. Can you believe I still had an Easter wreath on that door? I can't believe it. I totally forgot about it. I walked over here, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's still Easter? Are you kidding me, Liz? How did you miss this? Silly Liz, silly Liz. Anyway, I think that looks pretty. Command hooks were seriously the best invention, don't you agree? Love it. Let me take you down and I'll show you everything. All right, guys, so you come up the stairs and this is our little vignette. So we've got this, some book boxes with a little garden ball. Moving over here, we have some greenery, 2 rustic looking candle holders with LED candles on them. We've got our pretty wall embellishment. And then moving over here towards my daughter's room, we have this late summer wreath that ties in beautifully with what we have going on over here. So just an idea for another look, if I wanted to like get rid of the floral arrangement, I could put this in lieu of it and then find something else to put there. And then look how pretty that would be. I love that, actually. I love, love, love it. So anyway, just another thought. Making my eyes dry. Can we still make it happen? It's worth a try. And I might keep on dreaming out loud. It's a beautiful life, staying under blue skies. Next year in the winter, let's give it a try. I'll keep on dreaming out loud tonight. Winter's dawning, and I can't seem to adapt. And somebody told me that you felt the same way since we went. Why won't you give me a call? We'll ride on those waves again. California, and I can wait through a storm, 'cause without you it wouldn't be the same. Last night I was dreaming out loud. California sun was making my eyes dry. Can we still make it happen? It's worth a try. All right, guys. Well, there's my first introduction to Tuscan style back in my house. I know it's a simple vignette. It's simple because it's summer and I'm going to be transitioning to fall here soon, but I thought these are great staple pieces to start with in my fall decor, so I can plug and play. Take out that greenery, add some fall leaves and a fall bouquet of something. Add a pumpkin, take the topiary away and add a pumpkin in its place with some fall foliage or a lantern. Sky's the limit, guys, sky's the limit. But I love Tuscan. Be still my heart, be still my heart. It's classy, elegant, timeless, as a lot of you have said, and pretty. I mean, what more could I ask for? It's kind of a nice change from farmhouse, you know? Kind of like it. All right, my friends, this is gonna wrap up my video. Come back and see me Friday. I'm not sure what I will be doing between now and then, but should be interesting. Maybe more Tuscan, maybe more Tuscan. Stay tuned. Love you guys. Thanks for stopping by. Okay, I'm back. One more thing, maybe two more things. I don't know why, but I think some beautiful long sconces would be pretty on either side of this piece, or my new shelf, that black metal shelf with the brown in it. I might put it over the top of this and then drop my fall foliage kind of cascading off of it. How pretty would that be? How pretty would that be? Oh my goodness, the wheels are turning, guys. The wheels are turning.